Tired of being glued to your screen? If you're craving a break from the endless pings, scrolls, and distractions, it's time to ditch the smartphone and go back to basics. We're talking about Dumbphones, the ones with real buttons, long battery life, and no addictive apps in sight. Whether you're simplifying your life, keeping kids off social media, or just want a reliable way to stay connected, these feature phones are making a big comeback. Here are the best Dumbphones you can get right now. Number 6. TCL Classic, a modern flip phone with old school charm. If you're after a simple, no-fuss phone with just enough smart features, the TCL Classic checks all the right boxes. What sets this one apart? It's available for all major US carriers, though TCL decided to release slightly different versions depending on where you buy it. Each model is nearly identical, with a few minor differences in memory and battery life, but they all operate smoothly on 4G LTE networks. You get 2 color screens, a 2.8-inch main display on the inside, and a 1.44-inch external screen that shows the time, date, and battery level. That external display is surprisingly helpful. You don't have to flip open the phone just to check the time or see if your battery's running low. Call quality is another win. We found voices to be crisp and clear, whether on a regular call or via Bluetooth hands-free mode. The battery life is also impressive. Depending on the model, you can get between 8 and 14 hours of talk time, making it a reliable choice for all-day use. The camera is just 2 megapixels, good enough for basic snapshots, but don't expect crystal clear pictures. And if you're comparing models, make sure you double check which one you're buying, since each carrier version is a little different in terms of features. Number 5. Easyfone Prime A7. This dumb phone is made for simplicity, clarity, and peace of mind. Right away, you'll notice the oversized buttons with bold white numbers. Perfect for anyone with fading eyesight. But here's where it gets clever. The photo speed dial feature lets you call loved ones just by selecting their picture. It's loud, it's hearing aid compatible, and it has a dedicated SOS button on the back that can call for help and send your location. Huge win for safety. And while this isn't a smartphone, the A7 comes with smart extras, a music player, FM radio, voice recorder, and even GPS positioning. Charging is effortless thanks to the included dock. No fiddling with cables. The downside? It only works on T-Mobile networks, and the 2-inch screen isn't exactly a showstopper, but for the price, it's a solid pick for seniors or anyone who wants a no-fuss phone that just works. Number 4. Lively Jitterbug. Flip 2, senior-friendly with serious safety features. If you're looking for a phone that keeps things simple and adds a layer of security, the Lively Jitterbug Flip 2 might be your best bet. This phone is designed specifically with seniors in mind, everything simplified, from the extra-large keys to the easy-to-read display, a bright 3.2-inch screen, and an intuitive menu that makes calling and texting a breeze. But where it really stands out is safety. That red Urgent Response button connects users to a 24/7 emergency service at the push of a button. No fumbling required. With a Lively plan starting at $39.99 per month, you get access to US-based support, health services, and even help with booking a lift. For users and caregivers alike, that kind of backup brings peace of mind. You'll also find extras like a flashlight, magnifier, and surprisingly good cameras. 8 megapixel rear and 5 megapixel selfie. And the red version, super easy to spot in a purse or pocket. Downsides? It's only compatible with Lively's network, so you'll need to be okay with that. But if safety and simplicity are top priorities, the Flip 2 delivers big. Number 3. Kyocera DuraXV V Extreme plus the ultimate rugged flip phone. If durability is your top priority, the Kyocera DuraXV Extreme Plus is rugged. This tough flip phone is military standard 810H rated, meaning it laughs in the face of dust, drops, shocks, and extreme weather. From icy rain to intense heat, it's drop-proof up to 5 feet onto concrete and waterproof up to 6.5 feet for 30 minutes, plus dustproof with an IP68 rating. It's even safe to use around flammable gases. Functionality isn't sacrificed for toughness. The big keys work great even with gloves on, and push-to-talk turns it into a walkie-talkie for quick communication with other DuraXV users. The extra loud speaker phone handles noisy environments, and it can even serve as a mobile hotspot for up to 10 devices. Battery life? You're covered with up to 2 full days of talk time. The only catches? It's a bit heavy, has a small screen, and is available exclusively through Verizon. For anyone who needs a phone that can survive the wildest conditions, this is it. Number 2. Punkt MPO. 2. Rugged security meets sleek simplicity. If digital privacy and durability are your top priorities, the Punkt MPO2 stands out with its uniquely tough build and high-end security features. This phone isn't just designed to last physically, its reinforced polycarbonate chassis, strengthened with glass fiber, and rubberized trapezoidal back make it easy to grip and resistant to drops. But where the MPO2 really shines is in protecting your digital life. It uses a proprietary operating system that enables encrypted calls and texts over Wi-Fi or cellular networks, shielding your conversations and data from hackers and unwanted surveillance. With a minimalist yet striking design, offered in light blue, light gray, and black, the MPO2 combines rugged construction with a focus on privacy, making it an ideal choice for anyone who wants a durable phone that respects their security. Keep in mind, this isn't a camera phone, and battery life is on the shorter side. Number 1. Nokia 2780 Flip. The Nokia 2780 Flip surprises you with its robust voice call quality and handy features, all packed into a lightweight and affordable flip phone. It supports the latest 4G voice technology, delivering clear, loud conversations whether you're using the earpiece or the extra loud speakerphone. Featuring both internal and external color screens along with large numeric keys, the 2780 is designed for easy use, perfect for those who want simplicity without sacrificing call clarity. Running on Kyocera, it even offers some smart features and a higher resolution camera than most basic phones. The only trade-off is battery life. While rated for 7 hours of talk time, some users report needing to recharge more often. Still, for under $100, the Nokia 2780 Flip is a reliable, straightforward option. That wraps it up. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.